Hi students, welcome back Good Shepherd's online classes. Myself Gigi. Now we are dealing with the class Creating List in HTML. Chapter number 6, page number 128. Why we use list? Any data organized information increase the readability and appearance of a web page. For this, HTML support three types of list: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. First one is unordered list. Another name is bulleted list. The bulleted list means by default the visual appearance of an unordered list is to have small bullets icon that in front of the list items. So that's why we are using the name bulleted list. Okay, so unordered means the list items are not follow any specific order. Okay, the syntax, the tags are using this unordered list is UL tag. U for unordered, L for list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag and end with the also UL tag. It is not empty tag, and inside the UL tag we are using each list items with LI tag. Okay. The list items will be marked with the bullets. By default, the list items will be marked with the bullets. That means small black circles. Okay. So, an unordered list starts with the tag UL tag. Inside the UL tag, we are using LI tag. Okay. UL tag is end with the also closing slash and also UL tag. For example, here UL, open UL, then here closed UL. Inside this segment, we are using list items. LI. LI means list items. List items. Then these are the items: coffee, tea, and milk. Okay. So, in addition to this default bullet, we can also use other type of markers. That means other symbols. The symbols are disc, circle, square, etc. And that we can see with the practicals. Next is ordered list. Ordered list follows some order, maybe 1, 2, 3 order, or ABCD order, or small letter ABCD order, or Roman numerals ABCD 1, 2, 3 order. Okay, so first item, second item, third item, they are following some order. So ordered list items starts with the tag OL tag. OL means ordered list. Each list item starts with just like unordered list LI tag. Okay, so in between OL tag we are using LI tag. LI means list items. The list items will be marked with numbers. Numbers means they are following some order, maybe Roman numeral or alpha numerals. Okay, for example, ordered list OL, closing slash with the OL inside LI tag. Okay, next is description list. The third list item is description list. HTML also support this description list. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. Okay, or they created to define some terms. For this, the tag is DL. DL means definition list. Inside the definition list, we can use the term DT. DT, and then explanation, description of each term, we are using DD. So, in description list, we are using DL, DT, and DD tag. For example, this is description list, open bracket DL and closing bracket DL. Inside the DL segment, the term DT. Okay, the explanation of this dt is dd. For example, dt coffee, the term is coffee, and then explanation of that term coffee is here, dd, black hot drink. Okay, and then next term, milk, explanation of this term is white, inside the dd tag, white cold drink. Okay, then we can concentrate on unordered list. So we can do one program. I typed one program, HTML, using HTML, the first tag HTML, last tag also HTML, closing tag HTML. This is comment. This comment is not reflected in our browser window. Exclamation mark to hyphen, and something we can really add here that is not added in our output window, and to hyphen, again exclamation mark. Okay, then add the title. Inside the title tag, I add the title unordered list. Then add section finish with the closing tag head. Inside the body tag, I add one background color with the hash name, the color code. This may be green color, hash 0080000, 6 values. Okay, then the fruits available in summer, I add one sentence, and ul type. Here type means the marker, that means we can choose what type of marker to use on a list. So the marker may be square, round, numeric, alphabetical, etc. Numeric and alphabetic for ordered list. Here square and round, etc. So I add the type circle. Inside this ul tag, li, 4 list items are there: mango, watermelon, apricot, and peach. And I close the ul tag. There is no need of closing each list item separately. And then close the body tag in HTML and save the HTML document. And take the browser window. The fruits available in summer are, this is the green colored background and with a circle. Okay, we can change these icons in front of the each list items with different markers. So for this, again take our HTML code. Here we can change, instead of circle we can use disk. Okay, then just click the save button. Again we take our browser window, just a refresh button. Can you see this black? That means round filled bullets. Okay, then next we can also change the disk with the square. Then we just click save button or Ctrl S. Again we take our browser window. Okay, we can also change our color or background color with a different hash value 00 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 values only available for this hashtag. Okay, or otherwise we can use the color names. No need of hash here. Okay, save. Just click the refresh button Okay, so for this class we studied what is list, what are the different types of list, then a program related to unordered list and how we can change the type attribute. This is tag ul tag. This is attribute. Type is an attribute and equal to, after in double quotes we use one value. So this is value, and actually a tag have attribute and value. So we change different types of values, that is square, circle and disk. Okay, thank you. For the next class we can study ordered list and unordered list. Okay, again thank you.